this video, you'll learn how to make a simple paper quilling project. What is paper quilling? Well, it's a paper craft technique where you take strips of paper and you coil it to make a creative design. For this video, you'll learn how to use paper quilling to decorate the front of a card. For materials, you'll need a quilling tool such as a toothpick, pencil, or even a 3D printed one, glue, paper strips, and a paper template. To start, grab your quilling tool and a paper strip. Then, start winding the strip around the tool. And keep going and coiling the paper strip until you get to the very end of the strip. Once you get to the end of the paper strip, you can slide the coil off of the tool. You can leave it like this for a tight coil, or you can let it expand a little for a loose coil. Once you are happy with the size of the coil, you can go ahead and add some glue to the edge of the paper and glue it down to the coil. Next, you can place it on your template. Continue adding coils until you fill the template. Play around with colors and different sizes. Once you are finished with your design, you can add a message to your card. I hope you enjoyed learning how to paper quill, and now you can add this fun decorative element to any paper craft.